a time full of war, be peace. In a time full of doubt, just believe. Yeah, there ain't that much difference between you and me. In a time full of war, be peace. In a world full of hate, be a light. When you do somebody wrong, make it right. Don't hide in the dark, you were born to shine. In a world full of hate, be a light. In a place that needs change, you make a difference. In a time full of noise, just listen. 'Cause life is but a breeze, better live it. In a place that needs to change, make a difference. In a world full of hate, be a light. When you do somebody wrong, make it right. Oh, don't hide in the dark, you were born to shine. In a world full of hate, be a light. La 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 In a race that you can't win, slow it down. Yeah, you only get one go round. 'Cause the finish line is 6 feet in the ground. In a race you can't win, just slow it down. In a world full of hate, be a light. When you do somebody wrong, make it right. Make it right. Don't hide in the dark, you were born to shine. In a world full of hate, be a light. Yeah, it's hard to live in color when you just see black and white. In a world full of hate, be a light.
Let's learn Be a Light. It's choreographed by Willie Brown. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 2 and a slowdown on wall 6 for the last 4 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and the slowdown, and then we're going to go around and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Be a Light. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot, and we're going to start facing 11:30 or the left forward diagonal. We're going to step our right foot forward into the diagonal. Rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right. We're now going to do a left lock step back, stepping back with your left, cross your right over your left, step your left foot back. We're still facing 11:30. We're now going to make a 3/8 turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to cross our right behind our left and then step our left foot to the left side. When you step to the side, for the first 8 counts, you want to open your hips up into the 4:30 diagonal because we are going to step into that diagonal all over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're facing 11:30, stepping forward with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Section 2, we're going to repeat what we just did for section 1, just facing the back wall. So you're going to make that 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot into the 4:30 diagonal. Rock forward with your left, recover back onto your right, do a left lock step back, stepping back with your left, cross your right over your left, step back with your left. We're going to make a 3/8 turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 12 o'clock. We're going to cross our right behind our left and then step your left foot to the left side. And again, you can open your hips up to the left, because we will be crossing over for the next section. It will also help when you're going forward. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We would have just stepped to the side. You're making that eighth of a turn and stepping your right foot into the diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Section 3, we're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, and step your right foot to the right side. You're now going to cross your left over your right. You're going to quickly step your right foot to the right side, and you're going to bring your left foot in and next to your right, slightly angling your hips into the left diagonal. We're now going to cross rock our right over our left, recover onto your left foot. This will square you back up to the 12 o'clock wall, and we're going to do a quarter chasse over our right shoulder. You're going to step your right foot to the side, step your left next to your right, and make that quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're crossing over. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 4, you're going to step forward with your left foot. We're going to do a half pivot over our right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're going to do a half shuffle with a big step back. So we're going to start by making that quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side. Step your right next to your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, doing a big step back with your left, and you're going to drag your right toe into your left. You're now going to quickly step your right foot next to your left and cross your left over your right. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, and as we recover, we're going to make an eighth of a turn over our left shoulder, recovering onto that left foot to face 130 or that right forward diagonal. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Our step forward would have been 1. So we're doing that half pivot, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're facing 130 or that left forward diagonal. You're going to step forward with your right. Step, rock, recover, back, lock, back, 3/8, quarter, behind, side, making that eighth of a turn, step, rock, recover, back, lock, back, 3/8, quarter, behind, side, cross, back, side, cross, side together, cross, rock, recover, quarter chasse, step, half, quarter together, quarter drag, ball cross, rock, recover, and you're facing 130. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're facing that diagonal. You're going to step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and you'll be facing that diagonal, ready to start the next wall. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 2. It's going to mimic the first 8 counts of the dance, and it will put you on 12 o'clock, and you will start wall 3 facing 12 o'clock. So let's dance that first 8 counts so we can remind ourselves. We would be facing into the diagonal. You're going to step forward with your right, step, rock, recover, back, lock, back, 3/8, quarter, behind, side. And then you're going to start all over again from the start of the dance with your step. This will become wall 3. You will dance wall 3, wall 4, and wall 5 all the way through without anything extra. When we get to the side wall, the music is going to get a little bit quieter. They're going to tell you to slow it down. When those lyrics come up in the song, remember that the last 4 counts of the dance are going to be dragged out very slightly. So we'd be facing the side wall. We'd be facing about 7:30, and you're going to do all the way up until the last 4 counts of the dance, which is your big step back. So we're stepping our right foot into the diagonal. You're going to go step, rock, recover, back, lock, back, 3/8, quarter, behind side, eighth, forward, rock, recover, back, lock, back, 3/8, quarter, behind side, cross, back, side, cross, side together, cross, rock, recover, quarter chassé, step, half. Right here, it's going to start slowing down. You're going to do all the way up until that big drag back, and you're going to make sure that toe comes back very slowly. So you're going to do your quarter together, and you're going to do that big step back, and you're going to drag it in. So instead of it being 1 count, you want it to be closer to 4 counts approximately. So you're going to drag it in, and then you will continue the dance on ball, cross, rock, recover. You want to use that quiet because everything kind of drops out and it's very silent. When the music kicks back in and that heavy beat starts, that's when you want to step forward with your right foot into the diagonal to start the wall all over again. So now let's go around. We're going to do 7 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance through that slow down and the wall that follows. Weight is on your left foot. You are facing 11:30. We're stepping our right foot into the diagonal. Forward, rock, recover, back, lock, back, 3/8, quarter, behind side, eighth, forward, rock, recover, back, lock, back, 3/8, quarter, behind side, cross, back, side, cross, side together, cross, rock, recover, quarter chassé, step, half, half shuffle with a drag, ball, cross, rock, recover, stepping into the diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and we're going to add on our tag, step, rock, recover, back, lock, back, 3/8, quarter, behind side, start wall 3, stepping into the diagonal, step, rock, recover, back, lock, back, 3/8, quarter, behind side, eighth, step, rock, recover, back, lock, back, 3/8, quarter, behind side, cross, back, side, cross, step together, cross, rock, recover, quarter chassé, step, half, half shuffle with a drag, ball, cross, rock, recover, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and step, rock, recover, back, lock, back, 3/8, quarter, behind side, eighth, forward, rock, recover, back, lock, back, 3/8, quarter, behind side, cross, back, side, cross, step together, cross, rock, recover, quarter chassé, step, half, half shuffle with a drag, ball, cross, rock, recover. This is when you're going to do those slow counts at the end of the dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to do and cross, and 7, 8, and step, rock, recover, back, lock, back, 3/8, quarter, behind side, diagonal, rock, recover, back, lock, back, 3/8, quarter, behind side, cross, back, side, cross, step together, cross, rock, recover, quarter chassé, step, half, half shuffle with a drag, ball, cross, rock, recover, and then you would keep dancing the dance all the way through. So now I say it's about 4 counts, but it's going to take practice to practice that slow down that is going to come into wall 6. Listen to the music, do it a count longer than you actually think you need to, and you're just dragging it out after a couple times of practicing it you'll get that rhythm down. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the description to go to the end of the video where the rear facing demo happens so that you can practice, so you can rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Be a Light. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
In a time full of war, be peace. In a time full of doubt, just believe. Yeah, there ain't that much difference between you and me. In a time full of war, be peace. In a world full of hate, be a light. When you do somebody wrong, make it right. Don't hide in the dark, you were born to shine. In a world full of hate, be a light. In a place that needs change, you make a difference. In a time full of noise, just listen. 'Cause life is but a breeze, better live it. In a place that needs to change, you make a difference. In a world full of hate, be a light. When you do somebody wrong, make it right. Slow it down. Yeah, you only get one go round. 'Cause the finish line is 6 feet in the ground. In a race you can't win, just slow it down. In a world full of hate, be a light. When you do somebody wrong, make it right, make it right. Don't hide in the dark, you were born to shine. In a world full of hate, be a light. Yeah, it's hard to live in color when you just see black and white. In a world full of hate, be a light.